Dino Slayer 1020, and right now I am home alone. So, when I was kind of watching Worst Cooks in America, I thought to myself, I really want some eggs right now. But my mom isn't home, my sister isn't here, or my dad isn't here either. So, I thought to myself, I'm going to look up how to microwave eggs. And so, I did. And I found an amazing recipe for you guys, and so this is how it goes. And just to show you, this is my mug, this is the eggs, and it definitely works. I mean, look, I kind of ate a lot of it, so yeah. So just to show you guys that it's real eggs, it is amazing. Now, if you're a kid like me, this is perfect. Crack 2 eggs in a mug. Any safety mug that is okay to go in a microwave. A splash of milk for fluffiness, because when it comes out, it's going to be like this big, bulging, eggy yellowness. And then, so, beat or stir, if you don't know, beat is stir, just kind of stir it around. And then nuke or microwave for 2 minutes. And then, add cheese, if you please. So, trying to rhyme. Also, the cheese makes it really good. And then also what I just noticed that I added to it was salt is a good option. And so, yeah, if you guys like it with salt, definitely add salt. And so it ended out with me kind of not believing that it was going to work. And also, shout out to whoever made the recipe, because literally this is going to help me so much when I come home from school and I am home alone wanting an egg. And I've had this for a couple days, and so thank you. Bye guys.